Sleek and sporty, the side profile highlights its aerodynamic design. Check out the bold front look of the new Kia Sportage 2025 with its LED headlights and sporty grille. Experience smooth acceleration and excellent handling on the highway. Step inside to a high-tech dashboard with premium materials and touchscreen infotainment.
The rear view features signature LED taillights and dual exhausts, giving it a premium feel.
Conquer off-road terrains effortlessly with Sportage's all-wheel drive capabilities.
Conquer off-road terrains effortlessly with Sportage's all-wheel drive capabilities.
Experience smooth acceleration and excellent handling on the highway.
Sporty alloy wheels spin with dynamic motion, enhancing its overall appeal.
LED headlights shine bright, giving visibility and style at the same time.
Safety is top-notch, with airbags, lane assist, and adaptive cruise control.
Efficient fuel consumption keeps your journeys economical and smooth.
Safety is top-notch, with airbags, lane assist, and adaptive cruise control.
Under the hood, the turbocharged engine delivers power and excitement.
Enjoy open skies with the panoramic sunroof, bringing in natural light.
Modern tech like keyless entry, no battery, and wireless charging keeps you connected.
Choose from vibrant colors that fit your style perfectly.
Drive confidently at night with powerful lights and stylish design.
All-wheel drive ensures stability on wet or slippery roads. Lane assist helps you stay centered safely on the road.
Sporty steering wheel and controls put you in full command.
Lane assist helps you stay centered safely on the road.
Stay entertained and connected with the advanced media interface.
Enjoy winding roads with superior handling and suspension.
Adaptive cruise keeps a safe distance and smooth driving on highways.
Thanks for watching Ride and Rev. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.